Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Fitri bin Mustaza and my metric number is 189946. Today I would like to share my experience based on my industrial training from 24th June to 30 August. My internship was at MISC Berhad, located at Menara Daya Bumi. The experience that I gained from my training, actually I have three different type scope of job. Firstly is my specific task given by my supervisor, Miss Anna. Secondly is my more related to engineering problem work. And lastly, the additional work where I help other colleagues. For my specific work, I am developing MSQ database. MSQ is market survey query, which the vendor will give the equipment price to be populated into an Excel file. For the engineering task, I was given a few tasks. Firstly is understanding the block flow diagram and the process flow diagram of FPSO KK. FPSO is floating, production, storage and offloading, where I need to understand the separation of three different phase of liquid of component. First is the crude oil, which is the main product of the operation. Secondly is the gas, where the gas will be injected into the well to maintain the pressure of the well, and water, produce water to treat the water, where the water will be discharged into the sea again or be used on the top part of the FPSO. For my second task, for my second task, I need to design the well and use HISIS to develop hydraulic study, where I have 13 cases to be done, and the detail can be from the case. I need to find the pressure drop along the 1500 meter, and temperature drop, and lastly the hydrate formation, where the hydrate formation is formation of the jelly like liquid inside the pipeline, where it will be hard to make the separation once it goes into the FPSO. For my third task, I was required to design the FPSO Mampu 1 for the top side, where the top side consists of separation of three different phase of liquid, which is the crude, air and water. And the detail of the FPSO is attached in the report. And for the fourth task, I was required to I was joining few presentation from overseas vendor, where they present about compressor, igniter for flare, and membrane separation from air liquid. From the last task that I done is for helping my other colleague to collect information about the standard codes, such as IMO, which stands for International Maritime Organization, and more. That's all from me. Thank you.